Children's Day was celebrated with joy and respect on the 14th of November 2025 at People with Hearing Impaired Network PHIN. The program honored the importance of children and remembered Pundit Jawaharlal Nehru, lovingly called Chacha Nehru for his affection towards children. Students and staff began the event with a warm welcome that created a positive and cheerful atmosphere. A special lecture explained the history and purpose of Children's Day. Students learned about Nehru's role in India and his belief that children are the future of the nation. The session helped everyone understand why Children's Day is celebrated every year and the value of education and kindness. After the lecture, a short prayer was held to remember Nehru and express gratitude for his vision. Students shared their thoughts and felt happy to be part of the celebration. Staff members appreciated the chance to guide and motivate the children. The event created a meaningful and inspiring environment for all.